back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be from well-known payment processor PayPal. They are looking for somebody to handle all of their administrative tasks. Of course, the links to the page, if you want to get that application in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just want to ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. Share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But PayPal is hiring an administrative executive assistant. So they are looking for somebody to basically be the assistant to support their administrative executives, like their SVP, Chief Risk and Compliance Officer, and any other global teams. So it looks like you're going to be supporting more than one executive. But they're just looking for somebody to handle all of those yucky administrative tasks that the executives don't really have time to do. So you're going to manage their calendar, scheduling different meetings and things like that. You'll make their travel arrangements. You'll prepare and track their expense reports, purchase orders, and contracts, and you'll project manage all of their logistics for their team meetings, both offsite and all of the events that they have to go to. This means that you're kind of have to know what's going on and anticipate the needs and try to take initiative to solve problems independently, because those big high executives are in meetings and doing all the things, and they're busy. They don't have time to make decisions on every little bitty thing that comes up. So you're going to identify opportunities to make the overall team more efficient, run better over the long run, following up on any actions on behalf of the executives as needed. This means that you might have to coordinate meetings, including the meeting agendas. You'll have to take notes during the meetings and follow up after the meetings. You'll establish, schedule, and support the team's operating routines, including those staff meetings, leadership, things like that. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree for this, but it does say that they will take experience over that degree, but they're looking for somebody who has a proven ability to independently exercise a sound judgment, somebody who can build strong relationships with people. You've got to be a strong team player. You've got to have the ability to work in a fast-paced environment with little supervision. You've got to be outstanding with your organizational skills, great attention to detail, and be a planner, because you're going to be planning all of these meetings and keeping up with the calendars. So you're going to have to just have that can-do attitude and the ability to multitask. Now, if this sounds like something that fits you, pay is a very wide range. Pay goes anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $55 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.